and today we'll talk about learning a language, its benefits, 5 steps to ace at it, and some tips and tricks. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to grab some notes. Did you know that according to a study from the Northwestern University, learning another language keeps your mind sharp no matter your age? Speaking more than one language constantly exercises the brain and makes it more prepared to take on other brain-challenging tasks. Now that's a good reason to start. Whether for traveling, for fun, for studying, passion, or translation, communication is the key. Finding the perfect strategy to achieve success in your language learning journey could be tiresome as it differs from person to person. So here I am today with 5 simple steps to help you successfully learn a language. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up and let's begin. So the first step is to find your purpose. Be clear about why you want to learn a language. What level from A1 to C2 is required for that purpose. Whether you are just traveling and need only beginner level skills or require higher level for some work. Find your purpose and start accordingly. Choose a platform. Now that you're clear about your purpose, go ahead and choose the platform of your choice and convenience. Whether you want to opt for free resources or paid ones, I strongly suggest you to choose fun ways of learning where you can learn, play, and connect with the native speakers of the language. Also, choose flexible platforms or sites that you can access from your laptop, tablet, and mobile phone. Duolingo and Memrise are my personal favorites as they serve their aforesaid purpose well for me. Record and revise. Take notes while you're learning and keep records. Write down or type into your PC tough phrases that you can't remember and revise them whenever possible without needing the internet connection. Try teaching it to someone or speaking to a native speaker. Watch videos online. Watch and listen to short videos online to enhance your listening and understanding skills. This will help you a lot because most sites that offer language learning focus on the grammar, which is written speech. What is spoken is different from what is written, so make sure to carefully observe the difference. Lastly and most importantly, reward yourself. Whenever you meet your goals, reward yourself by taking a break, treating yourself to your favorite food, or whatever you can do. This will serve as the major source of self-motivation. So those are the 5 steps to keep you going without having to give up halfway and thus help you to successfully learn a language. Now let's learn some tips and tricks to enhance your language learning journey. Add Google Translate to your Chrome extension. Trust me guys, this helps a lot. When you can't make out the pronunciation or meaning of certain words or phrases, just select them and click on the Google Translate Chrome extension. And voila! You can not only listen to it, but also see its meaning and even change it into other languages of your convenience. Make a schedule and stick to it. That's right, no procrastinations and no excuses. Choose from the wide range of free platforms available that offer some amazing stuff. For example, Duolingo and Memrise. Other paid platforms require a minimal monthly subscription of around $6. If you're aiming high, you can get into the United Nations and its highly paying branches, but you need to be fluent in either Spanish or French to be eligible. If you've successfully learned a language and want to make some extra money, work as a translator. Translators worldwide are earning up to 6 cents per word on websites like GoTranscript, which is great. What are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity today to start learning a new language. And until next time, happy learning.
It's caught in the crossfire.